Hi, friends. It's Miss Getz. I'm here to talk to you about today's Webquest. First of all, let me get started by telling you how proud I am of all the hard work you've done doing on all the Webquests that you have been discovering in Miss Lawson's class. By the way, I apologize for the noise in the background. It's your favorite little puppy, Toby, saying hi. But anyway, today's Webquest is a very special Webquest because it's a Webquest that I created especially for you guys to discover with a lot of familiar characteristics of things that you already do in Miss Lawson's class. So my goal for you with this Webquest is for you to be able to work with your friends and your peers and complete the Webquest together as independently as possible. Because that's our goal within this program, is to be as independent as possible. So here we go. I'm going to walk you through it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to figure out who's going to do what task today. Okay, so we have to decide who's going to be the budget boss and who will shop and prepare each of the courses. And we'll have the turkey casserole, cornbread, and butterscotch cookies, because this is for a Thanksgiving feast or luncheon. So step 2 is for everybody to go ahead and watch this video, and you'll be very familiar with that video as it simulates our community skills outing and when we go out and shopping into the community. And then the third step is you're going to work together through each page of the tasks. So those of you who are going to be making the turkey casserole, cornbread, or butterscotch cookies, you're going to be able to determine what the cost is of each of those items by going to the Kroger website, and I'll show you on the next page what that's going to look like, determining up the price, determining your total cost, as well as paying to the next dollar and what your change is going to be. Okay, your budget boss is going to help you stay within the budget. We have a budget of $25 for all the items we need for the 3 dishes. Okay, person responsible for turkey casserole is going to be responsible in purchasing all of these items that we do not have within our family consumer science lab. Okay, all of the food items, and they have to write down the prices, determine the total, determine what would be paid to the next dollar, as well as the change. Same thing with the cornbread and butterscotch cookies. Then at the bottom of each of these pages is a little quiz for you guys to take. And when you click on the quiz tab, you'll be directed to a little friendly quiz. Okay? And what you want to do, and here it comes, is hit play, and then you will go ahead and proceed to this website, as well as put your code in, and you guys play the game. Okay? Alright, so in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and go back to our Webquest, and I'm going to go ahead and go over to the turkey casserole. Okay? So with turkey casserole, remember, you're finding the items that you're going to follow this link to find the items that you need for the recipe. When you click on this link, this is where it's going to take you. It's going to take you to the weekly ad of Kroger. And you're going to go ahead and click here and put in one of the items that you need, such as shredded cheese. Okay? And once you have that, you'll determine which item you want to sit there and select and write it down on your cost sheet. So for example, if we went ahead and went with the Kroger shredded sharp cheese, we'd say that that was $2.29. Okay, you'll do that for each of the items that you need, as well as determine what the total cost is. Okay, once you have found all of your items and you've written it down on your sheet, which you'll be given, let's say determine your full total, you have another quiz to take. And this quiz is dealing specifically with the turkey casserole. Okay? So you will do that for each of the other items. And then you have an evaluation, which is the rubric that I will check off with the paperwork that you guys submit to me regarding your total cost and how much and whether you stayed in your budget. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy this web quest that I created. I can't wait to get to your feedback to see how well or how much you enjoyed it or what Miss Getz can do in order to improve it. I hope you all have a fabulous day. Take care and have fun preparing and completing this web quest. Bye-bye.